Meaning of cyberspace. Cyberspace. Cyberspace.
Cyberspace. Cyberspace. Cyberspace is a term used to describe the world of computers, technology, and the Internet. It refers to the virtual realm that is created by networks of computers and other digital devices, where information can be accessed, shared, and manipulated. This includes everything from websites and social media platforms to email and online gaming. In cyberspace, people can communicate, collaborate, and conduct business with others from anywhere in the world, at any time. It has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with each other, making the world more connected than ever before.